Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are heading to Lai Chi Kok. As for why, like the title says, we're checking out a cat cafe and Lai Chi Kok Park for the very first time. I'm super excited, but honestly a little nervous, because I've never really spent time with cats before, so I don't know what to expect. Will they like me? Or just ignore me? Let's find out. The cat cafe I'm visiting is on the first floor of Lingnan Commercial Center. It's only about a 4-minute walk from Lai Chi Kok MTR station. There are two areas in this cafe. The cats are on this side, and right next to it is the pet-friendly section. First impression, it's just so bright, cozy and inviting. Oh wait, a cat just came near me. The bread pieces are more soft and crunchy, but the soup tastes great. Really mushroomy. They have been busy hanging out in the back. Next up, a mint hot chocolate. Just look at how cute this is. And for the main, I got the spaghetti bolognese. Doesn't this kind of look like a pizza? Time to give it a try. It's actually pretty good. Look who's sitting right next to my table. This is honestly my first time ever holding a cat, and I'm so grateful he chose to approach me. He's just absolutely adorable. Look how packed it is in here. It's definitely the place to be. He's back again. And again. And again. And that's a wrap on the Cat Cafe. It was such a wonderful experience, and I enjoyed every second of it. Next stop, Lai Chi Kok Park. Along the way, I just spotted this lovely area with gorgeous green arbors forming a leafy tunnel. It looks like somewhere right out of the Teletubbies. This park is so beautifully maintained. It feels so vibrant yet so peaceful at the same time. I'm getting close to the entrance of Lingnan Garden now, and this park is huge. Look at this window. It's so pretty and actually really practical for this climate. Then we have this super long pebble path. I used to love walking on these when I was a kid, but I don't have the courage to try it now. I just know it's gonna be so painful. I love the design of this ceiling, and this area would make an incredible spot for portraits. Over here, you can see the water running down through the stones, combined with the surrounding trees and the pond. This whole spot feels like a scene straight out of a classic Chinese poem. Oh, they've got a viewing terrace. Let's go up. So how do you like it here? It's truly a hidden gem in the city. It's so different from other parks I've visited, and it's so much bigger too. Lingnan Garden really brings that classic style to life. I had such a great time today. I loved the walk, and that cat cafe was truly exceptional. Thank you so much for joining me on this little adventure. If you enjoyed it, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again. Bye bye.